Hey guys, Tatum Lamborn here, just on a Manly ferry, Queensiff, going across the heads.
Booga.
Don't worry, that's my mental friend. He's a bit strange and weird at times. Now we've got a fast ferry over there, and also I'll wait till the heads is over, and also please subscribe.
Way more subscribers than he's got 100 and something subscribers.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.
Oh! This is what I call good waves. This is what I call #1 waves. Look at it! Subscribe to the